Hey you guys, it's Peter, and welcome to my channel, Peter! Boom, 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 review stuff. And I am so incredibly excited to do this review today. You have no idea. I have just been around the house today, cleaning out my closet, getting stuff done, running errands, and I was waiting to do this review until I started to get a little bit hungry today because I wanted to have a little mid-afternoon snack. So it is 4:04 p.m. and I'm getting ready to go through Joella'S hot chicken because they supposedly have this pumpkin pie in like a glass jar, like a mason jar. You know what I'm talking about? Family friendly, oh my God. But anyway, I am so excited. Now let me tell you what happened, okay? Now I went through here like 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, I don't even know when it was. And I reviewed Joella'S hot chicken because they have a vegan chicken meal. And I absolutely loved it. I fell in love with it. I could not believe how good it was. My friend that had told me that they had this vegan chicken, she was like, you have to try the sausage. You have to try the sausage. So I tried the sausage. The macaroni and cheese was fantastic. The fries, which are like truffle fries, were absolutely unbelievable. I loved everything about it. And I put up my review and Joella'S Hot Chicken reached out to me and basically were like, we will comp your meal anytime that you want to come in here. We will send you, they're called chicken cards apparently. See, that's the way you treat a world famous reviewer. Bruh, okay. Oh my God, you guys watch that guy? I love that guy that does reviews so much. But anyway, so I'm gonna go through here today and I am going to, I just went and got my coffee from Starbucks. I was supposed to do my video with Josh today. We postponed it to next Thursday. Some things came up. I couldn't do that earlier today. So anyway, but I'm so excited to go through here and review this because listen, I am a huge, huge, huge pumpkin pie fan. Obviously, I like pumpkin spice, but pumpkin pie, like with a little bit of whipped cream on it and the crust and everything. Oh my God, I love pumpkin pie so much. And I actually think of pumpkin pie a little bit more with Thanksgiving and Christmas than I do. What is going on with the light? Come on, light! Come into the light, Carol Ann! Carol Ann! Carol Ann! Anyway, I think a little bit more about pumpkin pie at Thanksgiving time, which is so funny because my cousin Caroline today, apparently our family has now fallen into the gap of we don't have sit-down dinners at the house anymore, okay? My cousin Caroline she's arranged for us to go out to dinner somewhere very nice this year for Thanksgiving, so I guess we become that family now, okay? So if you want to invite my husband and I over for a home-cooked meal, we would really appreciate it, maybe instead of going out to this very nice dinner. Thank you, Caroline, but I think Thanksgiving is about sitting down to a home. Anyway, and then we go over to Alex's family for Thanksgiving too, but then they like kind of mix it. It's like plantains and stuffing. It's kind of like that. So it's kind of like Venezuelan and American food. So anyway, let's go through here and let's review this pumpkin pie. I am so excited about this. I can't even, you have no idea. You have no idea. Do you have any idea? Oh my God, you have no idea. And it looks so delightful and delicious too. Lovely. Do you remember that song back in the day? Oh my God. Grooves in the heart. Aye, 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 aye. My friends and I used to sing that song. We danced in the clubs to that song. That's before all the mixes. That's before you would go to the club and they had mixes, you know? Now all the clubs have mixes. Now all the clubs have DJs and they pay them hundreds of thousands of dollars. That's why I don't go to the clubs anymore. Okay. No, I don't go to the clubs anymore because I'm old. Okay. Is this where you order it? No, you order it over here. I'm so excited. Okay. Should I get sauces for my pumpkin pie? No. Do they even have it on the menu? I don't see it. Oh my God.
Thank you for choosing Joella'S hot chicken. We will be happy to serve you in just a moment.
There it is right there. Do you see it? Pie in a jar. Strawberry shortcake, cookies and cream, and seasonal pumpkin spice. $4.99. You keep the jar. Oh my God.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm doing great. How are you doing?
Good, thank you. What can I get for you?
Could I get a seasonal pumpkin spice pie in a jar?
Yeah. Okay, anything else?
Could I get a side of macaroni and cheese too?
That's all for the day?
That's all for the day. Well, that's all for the hour. I might come back.
Okay, it's $7.80, so thank you.
Okay. I mean, you never know where the day will take you, right? You're gonna turn this around over here for a second. She's so sweet, isn't she? I love when they're sweet. Sometimes they're surly. How are you? Drink my Starbucks and don't judge. Thank you so much. Hi. Are you so excited to see what this is like? Don't be jealous of my Chubby Chop lip balm. I think Delia sent this to me. It's so fantastic. Delia, Delilah. I was just talking to my friend on the phone, and you know what? I was like, oh my God, I'm cleaning. And she goes, I'm cleaning out my makeup room. I'm gonna get me a makeup room, and it's just gonna have all lippies and chapsticks. I wonder what's taking them so long to put this already prepared seasonal pumpkin spice thing into a bag. I have to say, like, when I came through here before, if you watched my review before, they gave me the whole history of Joella'S hot chicken. They did say that they had them in Louisiana, which they don't have them in Louisiana. Louisiana, down by the bayou. They don't have them down there by the Oh my gosh. Have you ever been to Mardi Gras? I haven't. I might shake my stuff and get some beads though. I did go to the casino last night with my good Judy, Valerie though, and let me just tell you, okay, I vlogged on my way there, so if you want to see it, you can see it on my vlog, but I went to, what is taking them so long for the macaroni and cheese? But I did win $1,000. My good Judy Valerie, she won about $3,000 now. Thank you so much. Are there napkins and like a spoon in here?
Yes. I'll just get you.
Oh, thank you. Oh, it's good. Oh, I see now why they wrapped it up so much. You're so sweet. Thank you. Have a good day. So they wrapped it. I'll show you what they do. It's so nice. This is kind of like down on the farm fast food is what it is, and I'm kind of living for it. Do we think that $4.99 is expensive though for, well, I mean, it's the concept, and it's fast food, and Chipotle's right in front of me. Can you see me there? Okay. Carol Ann, coming to the light, Carol Ann. Okay. So let me show you first. They have the, oh my God, it's like dripping everywhere. Well, that's gonna go when I get home anyway. So, macaroni and cheese. Now, if you don't know, and you haven't watched my previous review, Joella'S Hot Chicken has the finest, I don't know what is going on with my hair today. They have the finest macaroni and cheese in the entire world. No, true story, they really do. Okay, look at how nicely they wrapped this thing. And it says pumpkin spice pie on it. I feel like I am down on the farm. I love it. Like when you know you to go, like you're driving out in the country. If you don't live in like out, if you don't live like in Indiana or the Midwest, you know what I'm talking about. It's so cool. Oh my God, you guys, it's so cute. Hold on, I gotta get a really good thumbnail of this. It's ice cold. It's very, very cold. Doesn't that look so good? Joella'S Hot Chicken. This is so cute, you guys. I'm so excited about this. Unless it tastes like crap, I truly do believe that this is worth $4.99 so far. And then it says pumpkin spice pie in a jar, a twist of tradition. It has a little thing on here. Game plan. Make hot chicken part of your game plan. Spice up your tailgate with catering from Joella'S. Our jumbo tenders, creamy mac and cheese, and sweet tea are sure to be fan favorites. And you can order it on there, and then it has it on there so you can do all your catering and stuff. Okay. Let's try this pie. I'm so excited. See, this is where it pays to advertise on Twitter because I actually saw this on the Twitter. On the tweets. But don't call in sick with the tweets. That they had this. So that was very smart of Joella'S Hot Chicken because I would not have known that they had this had I not, like, looked on there. Well, if you're lazy like me, I just buy 12 of these and show up at my family's house for Thanksgiving or Christmas. I'd be like, I made pumpkin pie! And the whole time I'd be like in the car, I'd be trying to get these things off here and I'd be like, damn it, Janet, it won't come off, damn it. Because I didn't want everybody to think that I like sat in the kitchen and actually concocted these, which I didn't, okay. Oh my God. The lid fell on the floor. Where's the lid? Lid! I'll find it later. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god, you guys, this is pretty fantastic. I'm gonna get so fat this season. You guys, this is really, really good. Oh my god. I mean, it just totally tastes like they took some pumpkin pie and shoved it in a jar. But the concept is so cute. And it's like really good pumpkin pie. It's not just like a slice of frozen, you know what I mean? I hate. You know, I don't cook to save my life. Listen to me judging people that do. Well, I mean, if you want to count a frozen pie as a cooking, but I love when you show up at somebody's house. Like, if you're gonna like be that lazy, I think just go to a bakery and buy a really good pie. That's what I always do. Oh my god, look at that. And you guys couldn't see it, but all these leaves just came flowing at my car. I felt very fallish for a second. I was like, oh my god. Yeah. The concept, the taste, this gets 5 points right here. Look at that. This is so good. This is a 5 out of 5. This is absolutely delicious. Okay, I'm gonna save the rest of it for home. And you guys, I would say it's probably more than like a regular slice of pumpkin pie. I'd say it's kind of like 2 slices, because it's like pushed all down in there. You see? Can you smell it? It smells so good. Do any of you ever go towards the camera and act like you're trying to smell it? Oh my god, loser. I'm a loser, baby. Anyway, okay, that is fantastic. I'm so glad I reviewed that. Now, if I'm just feeling like a piece of pumpkin pie, I'm gonna go through Joella'S hot chicken and get macaroni and cheese and a piece of pumpkin pie. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I love you, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.